The first world tour is officially over. All 7 continents, done. Which leads us to what we do next. I'm thinking a second world tour. On a bus, through all 50 states. Challenge accepted. However, we're gonna do something differently this time. We're gonna make it completely community powered, community funded, community led. And guess what? Today, we officially have the bus. Welcome to the fucking bus. And this year, we're gonna be answering a single question. Can community power something not just online, but something big, offline? I submit that it can, but I'm gonna need your help to be a part of it. What kind of mischief are we gonna get into? I don't know, it's kind of up to you. Let's check it out. Follow along, let us know what you think, and stay posted. See you there.